1/2 sugar into the water and mix it well. Add your mustard gulaman jelly powder unflavored to the water with the sugar and mix it well. Next is you are going to add your Nestle black coffee. For additional flavor, I add a chocolate tabliya for my coffee jelly to have this very good taste. It's up to you guys if you are going to add some additional flavors. You can also add like Milo, but for me I add the chocolate one, so because I really love chocolates. Next, ready your pan and put the mixed coffee jelly into the pan and boil it. Boil it at least like 10 minutes. It takes 10 minutes to boil the coffee jelly. Stir it well. Then, can you see that? Great texture of the coffee jelly. Once done boiling, transfer the coffee jelly into your molder. And I am now transferring it. And set it there and wait it until the jelly dry and cooked. While waiting for your jelly to dry, mix the evaporada and your condensada, the Nestle cream. Mix them in one bowl. And just a little bit of Nestle black coffee. Add it. You can now mix and mix all of these ingredients. And now my coffee jelly is ready. It's already dry. It's actually my first time, guys, and I am just so excited. It's my first time to make a jelly, and here it is. I have a successful coffee jelly, and this is my first time, and I'm so proud of it. Your coffee jelly is now ready to be sliced. You have to slice it squares, and it's up to you if you wanted to have a circle jelly shape, but for me I prefer the square one as it is generally in making coffee jelly. Yeah, and I so love the cube size of coffee jelly. Yan. And now you're ready to mix your coffee jelly cubes to the condensada evaporated milk mix, and it's actually almost done. Your coffee jelly dessert that is good for this very mainit na summer. And after mixing it, you can just put it into your refrigerator. Chill it, guys. Do not put it in your freezer. Just chill it, okay? And so that in the morning, you can enjoy your coffee jelly. Once done mixing, put your coffee jelly and chill it into your refrigerator. And here it is. Your coffee jelly is now ready to be served. Hope you guys enjoyed and learned how to make coffee jelly. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed, and please subscribe to my channel if you are new, and if you're returning subscribers, please do give this video a big thumbs up and give me comments down below. Once again, thank you for watching, guys. Bye bye.